Is it possible to implement a Python for range loop without an iterator variable? Is it possible to do following without the I? If you just want to do something an amount of times and don't need the iterator.
Off the top of my head, no. I think the best you could do is something like this. But I think you can just live with the extra I variable. Here is the option to use the underscore variable, which in reality is just another variable. Note that underscore is assigned the last result that returned in an interactive Python session. For this reason, I would not use it in this manner. I am unaware of any idiom as mentioned by Ryan. It can mess up your interpreter. And according to Python grammar, it is an acceptable variable name.
The general idiom for assigning to a value that isn't used is to name it underscore.
You may be looking for. This is the fastest way to iterate times in Python.
What everyone's suggesting you to use underscore isn't saying is that underscore is frequently used as a shortcut to one of the getText functions, so if you want your software to be available in more than one language, then you're best off avoiding using it for other purposes.